if you want more customers that you can handle, you want to have so many customers coming to your business that you don't know what to do with customers, here is the video that will teach you exactly how you can get that result. One of the major things with business is making money. And the only way you can make money, or the most important way to make money, is through your customers, selling your product, making sure they buy and buy again. I'm going to teach you how you can make your customers keep coming back and also make them refer people to you every time, so your business will consistently grow year in, year out. The first thing you need to do if you want to create a very successful business with a lot of customers, you need to keep your promises. If you are selling a product and you say the product will do X, Y, Z, let the product do exactly X, Y, and Z. In fact, let me do you better. Over-deliver on your promises. So if you tell a client that, oh, if you buy this property, you'll be getting 10 million a year, make sure you give them 11. So that way, by the time they buy, they know that they have bought something quality and they can enjoy it and do more business with you. So don't try to trick people or lie to sell your product. If you overpromise and you cannot meet that promise, you will lose customers in the long term. I see a lot of people try to do that where they want to overpromise. You know how politicians do, where they will tell you that, if you elect me, I will cure cancer. Guess what? You will eventually get the deal. By the time you get it and you are not able to deliver on that promise you made, it will become a very big problem for your business, and your customers will just consistently decline. But if you make sure that whatever your promise, you keep the promise and more, your customers will just keep increasing every time. Another thing you need to do to make sure that you keep customers knocking on your door is you need to focus on your uniqueness. Focus on your strengths. You cannot sell to everybody. I see people that they want everybody to be their customer. When you ask them, who are your target audience? Literally anybody. Or they will say, anybody that has a nose or anybody that breathes in oxygen is literally my customer. That does not always work. You need to find exactly who your customer is, focus on your uniqueness, and keep growing in your niche. Don't try to do everything. For example, you want to sell properties. Don't try to sell all the property. Only you are selling Lekki, Aja, Ikoyi. You are selling mainland, Ikorodu. You are selling Dubai. You are selling in England. You are selling one plot. You are selling 4-bedroom duplex. You are selling 3-story building. You are selling bungalow. You are selling everything in the market, anyone. And then obviously you have to sell private jets too. Because if you sell property and not selling private jets, you are not in business. So you need to find your niche. Choose your niche. Have you seen this guy on YouTube and even Instagram that sells private jets? Have you seen him market land before? Have you seen him post one bit and be like, also I have land in Ekpe if you want to buy? He sells jets. Everybody knows him for selling jets. And he's been in the business for more than 20 years. And all he does is sell jets. So stay on your uniqueness, stay on your niche, and you'll be one of the biggest people in your industry. The next one, I've said this one over and over and over and over and over again. You probably have heard it if you've watched any video of me. Run ads. Please, run ads. I'm begging you. Do you want me to kneel down? I should beg you. Run ads. Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Google, YouTube. As many marketing campaigns as you can, do it. Put money to market. I see a lot of business people start businesses and spend money in everything but marketing. Everything. Like, they can legit put a business plan where they spend 200k on a new suit, but they have 20k for their marketing budget. Spend money on your marketing. Put in money in ads. Not just anything in marketing, on ads. Make sure that many people see your product. You cannot sell if they don't know you. And make sure that you are consistent with it. Don't just run one and stop. Continue. So a lot of people can know your product. We're in 2024, internet age. Make sure you are always running ads so that you can keep getting customers all through the year. Getting customers is not based on vibe and inshallah. It's a strategy. And running ads is one of the best strategies you can implement. Another thing you need to work on if you want customers coming to you is you need to be fast. You need to be fast in your responses, especially when there's a problem. I see a lot of business people, when they have problems, they try to run away from it. Customer is having challenges, you are nowhere to be found. They are calling you, you are not picking. They are texting you, you are not replying because there's a problem. See, I can even understand why you do that, where you're even getting new customers. But when somebody has given you money, you have to be fast. You have to make sure that whenever there's a problem, they will always find you and you're always there to attend to them. It's not enough for there to be a problem. There's always going to be a problem in business, but the way you attend to it is what will define if that customer is going to keep working with you or not. There's a problem means there's an opportunity for you to even get closer to that customer. So always respond fast. Always reach out. Don't run away from problems in business, or else you might lose some of the customers you already have or not get more customers. Now, the last thing, one of the best things that will keep your business keep growing and growing bigger and bigger is you need to upsell your customers. So when you have people that have already trusted you with money and bought products from you, those people are the easiest people to grow your business because they can always buy again and they can always refer. I cannot count how many businesses I've patronized with that they never send me a message after buying. I've bought from them, nothing. Some have bought 6 months, nothing. And by the time I want to buy that product again, I can't find them because I can't remember them because they've not sent me anything since I bought from them. But imagine you are the type of business that after they buy from you, you put them on a list that you send them message every 2 weeks, then every month, then every 2 months, so that the next time they want to buy again, you'll be the first person they think of, and they can also refer you to their friends because referral is the easiest business you're going to get. Somebody referring you, the next person will just buy so easy because they know my friend has bought from this person. So make sure you consistently reach out to your old customers and you consistently tell them about your product so that they can buy again and refer you to their friends. Now, if you want more business videos, please follow this channel, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode.